Right, this is one for Tiffy. Hello mate, how you doing? He asked me to do this one, and I'm going to try and cut between the two so you can see on the screen and you can see me as well what's going on. And this is to show you how you go about searching, not from a from location but a to location. Now this can be quite handy. I mean, I've been in situations before and it's the same thing. So say for example right now I'm in Coventry, and so I'm going to be looking for loads going from Coventry as close as possible, and you know, they might have me up in Bristol, they might have me up in Norwich, and then I'm going to drive home empty. So I want to probably be as close to base as possible. But there's an alternative. You can go, well, I'm going to look on a 30-mile radius or a 50-mile radius, or I'm going to search for jobs going anywhere back to Dunstable, because there might be one at the moment which isn't in my radius, but that will ping up. Say for example I might have to drive an hour and a half to get it, but it might finish in Dunstable. So it's the same as picking up round the corner from here, dropping off to somewhere an hour and a half away from my house, I don't know, like Red Hill, then driving the hour and a half home, as it is to drive an hour and a half now to fetch it, drop it off, and then drive 5 minutes around the corner home. So what we can do is on mine, now you've got to bear in mind mine is different to you guys maybe, I've got small fleet. So what I would do is I go to loads and I go to search loads. Now, within search loads, it gives me the option to put in a current location or a location that I'm going to. So, for example, when I'm driving up to Coventry, I'll put in a location saying what jobs are coming out of Coventry. See, it says on here, search radius, this is current location. I can flick that down to select location, and I can enter where I want to go to. Wednesbury, that's where I'm at the moment. Leighton Buzzard, Little Hampton, where I was yesterday. Alternatively, what I can do is I can enter the to location, so you go to. So let's see jobs going to Leighton Buzzard, within a 30-mile of Leighton Buzzard, and then it's got a, yeah, so that will show me jobs going anywhere. So we go down to the bottom and we go search. And there might be something at the moment that's a long way away, like Leeds for example. Now Leeds is too far for me to go right now, but I could drive all the way up to Leeds, pick it up. When I finish, I'm in Luton around the corner. So it is a potential. I mean, you go like this, we click on it, we click view on map. It's small vans, it's no good to me anyway. Oh, that's something else I should say. Within this you can go back, and I would put in from a 7.5 tonne to an 18 tonne, because they're the jobs I search. So there we go. So there's one going from Gainsborough. Gainsborough's a long way away, and it's tomorrow. It's going to Amersham, it's not far from me. Lutterworth today, that's not too far, goes to Hitchin. That could potentially be worth a bid. I'm not sure if I'm getting out of it yet at the moment. They've got to verify these ballots. Now you guys might not have small fleet, but there is another way around this. So what we do is we go to the Google bit, we go to Courier Exchange, type Courier Exchange into Google, like this, bosh, there we go, Courier Exchange into Google, we go like that, just going to click on it here, Fun and Entertaining TV as always, Courier Exchange login, and it says enter your username and password, so I'm going to enter my username and password in there, and it says do you want to log on to the desktop or the mobile version. You click log on to the mobile version, and that will take you, it takes me to the Haulage Exchange, it should take you guys to the Courier Exchange. Then we go search loads, yeah, right, and then I will be looking again from a 7.5 tonne to an 18 tonne, and it will ask me from where am I looking to. Current location, select location. See, so you press select location at the top, from to. So I'm going to look for LU6. LU6 comes up with Dunstable, and then once again click search anytime, and it will show me the jobs going all over the country. So if you're running a fleet of vehicles or something like that, and you want to see what kind of jobs are out there on what days coming back, you know, Tewkesbury to Gloucester, it's a long way for me to go. I ain't going over to Tewkesbury to pick it up, but it drops off in Bedford tomorrow. It's not beyond the realms of impossibility. So sometimes if you're desperate for a job and there's nothing out there, what you can do, I'll just shut it off then, is you can put in an anywhere location, and like I say, it's the same thing as driving an hour and a half to pick the job up, and then when you drop it off being around on your doorstep, as it is driving 5 minutes around the corner, knowing that when you drop the job off, you've got an hour and a half journey home. It's the same thing. Tiff, I hope that helped you. So if you wanted to look for jobs coming to the Cornwall area, you'd get on the Courier Exchange, you'd go on either the desktop version or the mobile version, click jobs not from, but select location to, put your home address in, and it will show you what you've got coming back. Guys, I hope that helps. I did do this video before saying that this is a very important video, because also if you log on to the mobile version, jobs seem to turn up fractionally before they do on the app. So you know, like sometimes a job comes up and you're about to quote it, this is sold. You know, how can it be sold? It's just appeared. So I'll do a link to that video as well if that kind of helps, right? You know, but hopefully the guy will be off break soon and let me know if I can take these pallets off. Giving me a chance to take care and take money.